3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, I know you're confused and asking, how does an unboxing video start with the phone unboxed and scattered on the table? Don't worry, let's go back to how it all started. Let's unbox the Tecno Spark 7P on Blaze channel. From the box of the Tecno Spark 7P, there's a bold Spark inscription. I like it because it shows Tecno is proud of their design. Next is the phone, wrapped. On the wrap, you see some of its key specifications like the 90Hz refresh rate. Yes, 90Hz, LG 70 processor, and a 5000 mAh battery. Next is to take out the phone. It took me a little while to take it out as it was really tight, but I think it was worth it. Once you open the wrap, you're greeted by the matte finish on the back of the Tecno Spark 7P. It's very premium and I was impressed, but let's keep the phone aside a bit. Let's check the accessories. First you get is a charger head, and the next is the USB Type-C cable, and next is the earpiece of the Tecno Spark 7P. Personally, I have to say I'm impressed Tecno still gives earphones for their devices, as most companies do not nowadays. Next is a warranty leaflet, some instructional manuals, and most importantly a silicone case, which is for protection of the Tecno Spark 7P. It's a very beautiful case. So these are all the accessories you get from the box of the Tecno Spark 7P. The charger head, the USB Type-C cable, the earphones, the silicone case, and lastly the phone itself. The Tecno Spark 7P is a very easy device to set up, as it didn't take me much time to do so. Now for the physical attributes of this device. It has a 6.81-inch display, and on the back you have a matte finish plus the camera module at the top left corner and the fingerprint behind. On the right side you have your volume buttons and your power button, and on the left side you have your SIM ejector side with 2 SIM cards and a memory card slot. On the top there's absolutely nothing to see there, and on the bottom you have your 3.5mm headphone jack, your USB Type-C charging port, and on the right you have your speakers. The Tecno Spark 7P has a 90Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling very awesome. It runs on Android 11 and iOS version 7.2. This device has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, or 128GB depending on the variant you purchase. The camera consists of a 16MP main shooter and an 8MP selfie camera. The display is a 6.81-inch IPS LCD panel which has a 90Hz refresh rate, and it sells for about 64,000 naira. This device is affordable generally and is worth its price.
So what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. So this is the video of the Tecno Spark 7P. I want to add something a bit fun. So I have Alex here, the owner of the Tecno Spark 7P. Go. So we have a challenge for Alex. We want him to rebox this phone the exact way it came when he got the phone. This is the Tecno Spark 7P. As you can see, we have all the accessories here. The charger, the earpiece, every single thing, even the silicone case. I was going to give Alex. We took a vote and we decided 30 seconds to make it very tough. And if he gets it, he gets a prize. We won't tell you the prize. So let's get to it. So we're about to start the challenge. Alex, are you he's looking at it. Alright, we give him, I'll get my stopwatch on time. So we have 3, 2, 1, go. $30 seconds. You're holding the charger first. Okay, we see what you're doing.
Make sure you stay here.
Five seconds more. 4, 3, 2, time. You have to stop.
God, I'm done.
He has his done. He still do it after the time. So Alex is done with the challenge, and we're going to look at it to see how we're going to rate his performance. Now, we can't exactly tell you how the phone was unboxed, but it was unboxed at the beginning of the video, and you yourself will be able to compare how well as. So the first thing Alex has is his cover, which is obviously natural. The next is the phone. So when you're watching the unboxing, you take note of these details. Then the charger, the earpiece, the code. So when you're watching the unboxing in the beginning, you're going to take note and see how I'm going to rate Alex. But personally, if I'm to score him with the 30 seconds, I'll give him 8/10. He actually did try. So you guys saw how Alex fared in his reboxing. Okay, so David wants to try out. This is David, the cameraman, meets the invisible guy behind all the So he's going to rebox that, and we'll have Alex scatter everything so that it's very hard for David to do it. So quickly, come, let's do it. Alex, do it. Maybe as hard as possible for David to do it. Just anything you want to do. Don't forget, this is the inside here. See what Alex is doing. Oh, God. You don't know. That's not allowed. Alright, so David has 30 seconds to do this challenge.
Give me 1 minute.
Oh,
1 minute.
Oh, Alex said we should give him 1 minute. Alex goes.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Alex is
One.
he's very confident. He has scattered it totally. So he says we should give him 1 minute. So 1 minute it is. 60 seconds starts in 3, 2, 1, go. He doesn't know about it. Okay, that was fun. Dude. You've used 18, 19, 20 seconds now. The earpiece. Now where are you catching? David might actually get it. Must enter. 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Come on.
Wow.
Hey.
Nothing fair.
Come on.
So,
Guy.
he's done with it now, so let's check out how he fares. So the first thing here is the cover.
Perfectly arranged cable.
Perfectly arranged cable. In fact, it's dancing with the charger here. The charger here. And the earpiece. So you guys will rate how both of them fared, and in the comments, write them in the comments. So don't forget the main features that have made this phone worthy of its price: the matte finish at the back, the massive battery, 64 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM, and the very beautiful display. Don't talk about the 90 Hz refresh rate this phone has, so it's very good for you if you can afford it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also
Smash that like button.
exactly. Then comment some challenges you think that will make sense for the channel. It will really make sense. I appreciate you guys.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel
in the next video.